Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to move Bitcoin from KuCoin to Ledger Nano X. Now first, here we are on our dashboard. You'll see all your tokens, all your assets, okay? And if you don't see Bitcoin listed here, all you do is you click on Manage Crypto and you search for Bitcoin. So BTC, okay? That's the symbol. You search it up and then you basically add that crypto right here to your token list. So you can see I already added it. You just click on the plus icon to add it. And once it's there, what you need to do is you need to hit withdraw. Okay. You go through a Google verification two-factor authentication process. If it asks you, select the coin, and then you need to get your Ledger deposit address. Okay. And then you just paste your address in. You choose the network, right? So it depends on what you are transferring. So for Bitcoin, choose BTC at Bitcoin network. And then once you get the address, you copy that and then you verify it, you paste it in, you finalize the withdrawal, you go through a two-factor authentication, and you're basically done. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.